Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to do a bloom. I haven't done one for a little bit, and I just love doing them, so I miss doing them. So I did one earlier today in some really pretty colors. Magenta, Prussian blue, orange, Deco Art rose gold, and another gold, a lighter gold. I think these colors will look awesome, so stick around and we'll get to it. All right, here I am. I've got my turntable here. Got my white paint ready. Just give it a quick stir. My pillow paint. That's the thickness of it. I think this is 8 or 10 by 10. 8 by 8 square wooden canvas, I guess you'd call it. I think I'll blow it with a hairdryer. Okay. Oh dear, what did I do with all my spoons that I just washed? I got more. These little plastic spoons are great. This will come off if you get one of those little scrubbies. It comes right off. Okay, so let's get my paints ready. All right, I think I'm going to put orange on the bottom. I'm going to try with bright colors on the bottom. Doesn't have to be perfect. Well, I shouldn't have one of those, but some gold. Oh, there's a little fruit fly flying around here. I'm going to use black cell activator, so I don't want a dark color on top. Just going to add a bit of water. This is Prussian blue. And then I have rose gold and then my pink. Oh, I'm almost out of the magenta. Uh-oh. Those noises are my husband in his lounge chair right above me. Let's see if I have any more magenta. I have a medium magenta. There's not much of that left either. Okay, gotta make up some more magenta. Okay, I'm gonna use Prussian blue. Sorry, not Prussian blue. Payne's gray as my cell activator. Oh, I should have. Got my air bubbles. You just mix your paint. Well, I didn't just mix it, but I just stirred some of them a little bit more. The air bubbles come up. Okay. I'm going to use my blower. Holy moly. They're all on one side. Wow, that's cool. I didn't get it blown out of here. Oh well. It is what it is. I'm just going to leave it. The middle is concave. If you get any little white dots on an air bubble, you can poke it with a pin and it disappears. I don't think those are air bubbles. That's from the white or the white base underneath. There's that fruit fly. See if I can, I'll hold this up instead of trying to get my hand in there. Pretty colors, eh? I can see from here that the middle is still concave, so we have to give it a few more minutes. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications and you'll get you'll notified when I do a new video. Subscribing to videos on YouTube is free. Doesn't cost you a dime. Just helps us get more viewers to watch our videos. I love that Payne's Gray as a cell activator. Give it a try. See if it's moving at all. Nope, not yet. Almost. I don't want to move it too soon because it makes those cells go funny. So I just want to let it come back. It's starting to. It's just a small indent now. Trying to help it along a bit. It's just a little hard in the middle, I guess, with the blower. I think I'm going to spin it anyways. Wow, that covered everything except for this little piece right here. But oh, see if I can. If I can get some pink and just there, I think it's good. What do you think? I love it. Well, come back to Carol's art room. I'll put the dried results of this bloom on the end of the video, and the colors will be in the description below. All right, see ya in the next video. Hi everybody, it's Carol here, my art room. I've got a couple of dried results that I'm going to show you. This is a little 4x4 tile that I did. I think it turned out awesome. I just love these colors. It dried nice and smooth. You can see lots of pretty cells. So then I thought, well, I like these colors. I'm going to try a bigger one. So this is the end of today's video for this one. And then coming up soon after will be this one. Another one that I did with similar colors. Put it this way, this way. Look at those cells, aren't they pretty? There's quite a lot of orange in this one. But anyways, I just love how it turned out. This is a bloom that I spun. Well, I spun both of them actually. So yeah, dried awesome. So smooth and shiny. You can see some sparkle in here from the gold. Okay, that's 2 dried results that you've seen. So come back to my art room and you'll see more of my paintings. Hit the bell and you'll get notified when I do a new painting and you won't miss one. Have a good day. And up above, there should be some squares with playlists for blooms, and you can see more blooms. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.